Well, a very good day, YouTubers. And yes, as promised, here's a test ride of the Lambretta I showed in the previous video. It's a fabulous day for it. And yeah, I'm going to take you on a lovely little ride around some nice parts of Garstang and surrounding area. I'm just on the outskirts of Garstang, travelling on along a lovely little lane, tree covered and very nice. Yeah, and we can enjoy a nice little ride over the Lancashire Canal there. And over some of the worst roads. These are my nominations for the award of worst roads in England. I say England because Scotland's roads are very nice indeed. This part especially is atrocious. And yeah, we can just enjoy tootling along on this 6.5 horsepower 50 mile an hour monster. Yeah, really quite bad. Shameful, actually. Quite how the local authority, whoever they are quite happy to allow them to be like this, I do not know. Off the bat, I need to point out to all of you in the know, this scooter isn't running 100% as it should be at the moment, because it's only been on the road 3 weeks and I'm currently fiddling with the jetting. A little bit of techno babble, apologies if you don't understand. It's a Delorto SH120. Standard, it comes with a 105 main jet and a number 1 atomizer. I've now changed it to a number 5 atomizer and a 102 main jet. The throttle response is great from, say quarter throttle all the way up to full throttle. Previously it wouldn't pull like the last quarter throttle. Let's let these kids across. Yeah, previously it wouldn't pull full throttle, the last quarter throttle. You're welcome. But now, yeah, with the larger, well, the smaller, I should say, 102 jet, which means it's slightly leaner, it's now pretty much pulling full throttle. The most I've had out of it is an indicated 48 mile an hour. I haven't checked the GPS yet, the speedo with the GPS for accuracy, but I've used one of those roadside speed things that tell you what your speed is with a happy or sad face. And it's pretty accurate, to be honest. More bad roads. This is one of my nominations, this roundabout and the road off it. I have to go over to the left because the rest of it is holes, and this is a main road, believe it or not. But we'll have a little toodle down the high street. I've shown the high street before on other videos, but never from the perspective of a vehicle. Yeah, like I say, quarter throttle, well, not even quarter throttle, eighth of a throttle, it's a bit blah, 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 blah. So I think it's slightly lean there, so I'm thinking, I mean, it has a standard 45 pilot jet. There's Hamlet, but I'm thinking maybe raise it to a 50 pilot jet. Right, so now we'll go and we'll take it for a little blast along the main road. Past this part again. Oh, blimey. Right. The main road allows us to reach the heady speeds of 50 miles an hour. But this is a 30 zone. Yeah, when she gets up to, well, these sorts of revs, pulls nice. Third gear is very handy, and it will rev out in third. It's about a 16th of a turn of the throttle from the stop, where it's where it won't quite rev, but it's almost there. I mean, I'm quite happy with it as it is. I've checked the plug. I've done a few plug jobs. The centre electrode is a nice brown, the colour of a rich tea biscuit, which is what it should be. And the outer edge, the threaded portion, you know, the outer metal ring, so to speak, is just slightly black and oily, which is how you want it. Because it spends more time at higher revs than it does at idle. Maybe I should do a plug chop at idle, and then I can see if it's lean or not. As I say, apologies for the techno babble if you're not into that kind of thing. But I know there are loads of you out there who like that kind of stuff, like me. This is a notoriously busy junction. This is the A6, which before the M6 was built was the main road from like Birmingham up to like the Scottish border. Believe it or not, the traffic that would have gone along this road in the past. Right, let's open this beast up. Whoa, the G-forces. 40. As I say, it's 50 along here, the limit. Well, that's it. 42. Gotta back off. Gotta back off from the phenomenal acceleration. I mean, the maximum speed of this scooter is a theoretical 50, which this day and age, especially places, you know, like this, around towns, and I don't go on motorways with it, it's spot on. You don't need any more. Large parts of this road are 40. When you go through Lancashire, it's a 30. So yeah, it's ideal. Right, we'll take a right here. I'm hoping. Oh, it says road closed. What? Road ahead closed, access only. Let's see what that's all about. Oh, well, they're certainly not closing it to resurface the road. Driving today in England is a case of, it's probably not so bad in cars because you wouldn't feel it so much, but on a motorbike you don't want to go crashing through all these. It's the surface, it's broken up. You got to, I mean, ideally I would be in the middle, but this is so cracked up. Oh, it's terrible. Now I don't know how, you know, the local authorities can sleep at night. They're happy to leave them like this, and they're getting worse. I'm thinking maybe the road closed bit is actually after Scorton. I'm heading to Scorton for a nice little coffee. Oh, it's so terrible. I mean, the suspension actually isn't that bad, really, for a scooter. The wheel, you know, the 10-inch wheels, which means that every imperfection in the road feels far worse than it would with, say, a bike with 18-inch wheels. It's sounding good, this scooter. I'm in fourth, and I'm doing about 30. Oh, I'm doing 30. Now just drop down into third. Here we are, Scorton. Oh, there goes the train. Ah, maybe they are resurfacing the road. Is that a gravel lorry? It is closed. No through route. Well, how can I get to? Mind you, there's cars going. Right, the closed bit must be after Scorton. Scorton, a gorgeous little village. Right, what are you doing? Are you looking? Ah, you're going in there. Yeah, gorgeous little village Scorton is. And it's only, what, 3 miles outside Garstang? Now there should be a little wagon here, there we go, that does coffee. Well, I hope you've enjoyed watching this little introduction to the Lambretta, a little ride around. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see more videos like that, little places I can visit on the Lambretta, as long as it's not miles away, like Venezuela or south of England, Scotland. Garstang is, what, 100 miles from the Scottish border, and then you've got 400 odd miles, maybe 500 of Scotland itself. So to do that on the scooter would be pushing it a bit, but yeah, Lancashire is a huge county. You know, there's Morecambe, Blackpool. Yeah, so yeah, let me know if you'd like to see more stuff like that. But until then, cheers for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Got to remember that. And yeah, cheers for now. Let's take a left. Let's get some back lane scratching. those brand new crankshaft bearings I put in doing their job. Ugh, water. Oh no, I've got water on my scooter. What am I going to do? Well, you've heard of the Monte Carlo Rally. This is the Scorton to Garstang Rally. And there's no better machine for it, really. Well, apart from any other motorbike. Well, this is the first really steep hill I've done on the scooter. I've seen some on YouTube that struggle up these kinds of things. Oh, I'm pulling second. Diverted traffic. Yeah, this is what £3.50 a week in running costs gets you. £61 a year insurance and 120 miles per gallon.